Good evening, viewers all over the globe. This is the popular amateur here located in Abia State, Nigeria. Obviously, you can see this multitude of people. All of them are suffering. They are suffering. They are finding their way to your house. There is no road leading to their house. There is no road. They are calling on government to come and help them. They are calling on government to come and build this road for them. This is the popular amateur here in Ohanku Road, Abia State, Nigeria. Please, government, please do something. People are suffering. You can see the multitude of the flood. Look at the numbers of thousands of people, millions of people walking this road, but there's no way for them to go to their houses. So they are calling on government to come and do something. They are calling on government. If you say people have lost their property, this is trade decking, but there is no way to go to that house. You cannot enter this house because there is no way, there is no road, there is no road. People are suffering, people are crying. Please, government, come and do something. Come and do something. People are crying. People are suffering. Please, government, come and do something. People are crying. This is the popular amateur here in Ohanku Road. Amateur in Ohanku Road. There is no road. There is no road. You can see it by yourself. There is no road. People are suffering. People are suffering. Government should come and do something. People are suffering. There is no road. Flood everywhere. Flood. This is amateur. The popular amateur in Ohanku. There is no road. There is no road. Government. You can see the numbers of people taking this route. You can see the numbers of people taking this route. Please, government should come and do something. Please, government should come and do something. Please, amateur Ohanku. There is no road. There is no road. There is no road in amateur Ohanku. Look at. You can see it by yourself. You can see it by yourself. My brother, yeah.
Yo, amateur gola
oh, there is no road. Government should come and do. Oh,
God bless you.
I told you people are not happy. People are not happy. The road is too bad. You can see the suffering is too much. The suffering is too much. Look at numberless counts of people that is following this road. There is no way for them to go to their burial destination. They are suffering. They are suffering. They are suffering. Even the house, even the people living around this place, they cannot come out or go into their houses. They cannot come out or go into their houses. Government should come and do something. Government should come and do something. They are crying. They are crying. They need government's help. Please, this is the amateur, the popular amateur here in Ohanku. People are suffering. You can see the numberless counts of people here. There is no way for them to go to their houses. There is no way. They are calling of government to come and help them. Government should come and help them. Government should come and help them. Hey, God. Oh, we are praying to God. Maybe we will touch the heart of the government. They will do something to this road. People are suffering. People are suffering. You can see it. You can see the numberless counts of people flowing this road. There is no way for them to pass. We are calling on government to come and do something. This is the amateur located here in Ohanku, Abia State, along Ngwa Road. We are calling on government to come and do something. Come and do something. We are calling on the government officials to come and do something. People are suffering. You can see it by yourself. You can see it by yourself. There is no road. There is no road. Flood everywhere. People are suffering. We are calling on government relevant agencies to come and do something. Abba is suffering. Ohanku here. There is no road in Ohanku. There is no road in Ohanku. This is the popular amateur located in Ohanku here in Abia State. People are suffering. You can see the magnitude of people, the numberless count of people flowing this road. There is no way for them to pass. People have lost their properties. Look at that. Oh, look at this building. Look at this building. There is no way to go. There is no way. There is no road. There is no road. People have lost their property. People have lost their property. There is no road. There is no road. Brother, can you get kunoza? Can you never know that? Abagula. Can you not go met Kabia Noza? Oh, there is no road. There is no road. People are suffering. Look at just the track road. Look at just the track road. Before you straight through this road, you pass Osimiri. Osimiri Amocha. Osimiri Amocha. There is no road. There is no road. People are suffering. There is no road. I have told you this is the normal Amocha or Hanku. You don't want this road to be work, Abi. Oh, people are suffering. You know, people are frustrated. They have lost their property. There is no road. Fraud everywhere. Government should come and do something. Government should come and do something. Government should come and do something. Oh, you see, can you say experience with another attack? Can you not? When I talk about government, have you seen it? People are confused. They have lost hope in government because of the level of this disorganized road. People are suffering. There is no road to go to their houses. This is the popular Amocha Ohanku here. The popular Amocha in Ohanku. If you are coming to Ohanku, the popular Amocha, there is no road. There is no road. Flood everywhere. Flood everywhere. You can see the numbers of people. You can see there is no road here. People are suffering. Here is Ohanku Amocha located in Ohanku here, Abia State, Nigeria. Please, government should come and do something. People are suffering. People are suffering. People are suffering. Government should come and do something. We are calling on government to come and do something. People have lost their property. You can see it by yourself. People have lost their property. There is no road. There is no road. You can see it by yourself. There is no road. Government should come and do something. Here is Amocha, located in Ohanku, here above Abia State, Nigeria. People are suffering. There is no road. You can see the numberless count of people flowing this road. There is no particular road for them to go to their houses. People living this area are suffering. You cannot go outside. You cannot come inside. You are stuck in the middle of confusion because of bad road. You are stuck in the middle of confusion because of bad road.